This is Mid-Atlantic Construction. We're at 46247 Riverland Place, Sterling, Virginia, and we are going to perform a repairability test on the shingles to see if they are repairable. If you look, this one here is the one we are going to be replacing. You can see some hail hits here. There's one right there. Another one here, so that's why we have chosen this particular shingle. It's already starting. By trying to detach it, it's already starting to break apart. Just ripped out right here as well. See that? Wow, it just got a break there, and a break there, and one on the other side. Oh, just tore right there. That one come loose okay. Now we have to pull this one up in order to get to the nails where this one is nailed down, which catches the top side of the one that we're replacing. And of course this one here we have to lift up to get to the nails that are directly underneath. Tear just there too. Yeah. You have to pull this one out up here. That nail. Yeah. Give them to me all till you're ready. All right, we got it. The one we're going to replace removed, and as I was showing during the video, you see the areas where these have already been torn. Same way with this one here. Tear spot right there. There was another one right over in there. So we're going to go ahead and put in the replacement shingle. But in actually, in order to do this correctly, we have 1, 2, 3 shingles above, 4 shingles above that would actually need to be replaced in order for this roof to be the repair test to be completed correctly. You want these nails? Watching when he was lifting up on this one, this part of the laminated shingle above was actually starting to buckle and break loose. Back up on that like here now. You can see right there where it's delaminating and it's actually creasing right there in the shingle. Is that good?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a piping on it.
Okay. All right, because of the way that it is, we're actually going to get some caulking.
We can't leave the shingle like that.
Because of where the tears are, we're going to put some caulking on there as a temporary repair for right now, just so that it doesn't cause any leaking. But again, that's not the proper way to do this. Work back out. And that's where we replaced that shingle there underneath our box. And you can see the areas that were torn, and of course it was delaminating as well.
Los de atrás son negros, ahí debe haber uno rompido de ayer. A uno que está rompido. Si no, mirá dentro de la caja amarilla.
cut the end off? Tip?
No,
Tip?
this is already cut.
Oh, okay.